Hello and welcome to Life Amplified. Today we're going to talk about something that is essential to achieving financial success: creating a personal financial plan. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to improve your current financial situation, having a personal financial plan is key to achieving your financial goals. Before we dive into how to create a personal financial plan, let's first understand why it's so important. A personal financial plan is essentially a roadmap that helps you identify your financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Without a plan, it's easy to get lost and lose sight of what you want to accomplish financially. A personal financial plan helps you stay focused and disciplined with your money, and it helps you make better financial decisions. The first step to creating a personal financial plan is assessing your current financial situation. This involves taking stock of your current assets, liabilities, and expenses. You'll want to create a net worth statement that lists all your assets and liabilities, such as your savings, investments, debts, and loans. This will help you understand where you stand financially and give you a starting point to work from. Once you've assessed your current financial situation, the next step is to identify your financial goals. These can be short-term or long-term goals, such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing for retirement. It's important to be specific and realistic with your goals, and make sure they align with your values and priorities. Now that you have a clear understanding of your current financial situation and your financial goals, the next step is to create a budget. A budget is simply a plan of how you will allocate your income towards your expenses and goals. Start by listing all your income sources and then create a list of all your monthly expenses, including fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, and variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can make adjustments as needed to ensure you're living within your means and making progress towards your financial goals. Manage your debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to achieving financial freedom. So, it's important to have a plan for managing your debt. Start by creating a list of all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and car loans. Then, prioritize your debts based on interest rates and pay off the highest interest debt first. Consider consolidating your debt or negotiating with creditors to lower your interest rates and reduce your monthly payments. Invest in your future. Investing is a critical component of any personal financial plan, as it can help you build wealth over time and achieve your long-term financial goals. Start by identifying your risk tolerance and investment goals, and then research different investment options such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider working with a financial advisor to help you create an investment portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Creating a personal financial plan may seem overwhelming at first, but it's an essential step towards achieving financial success. By assessing your current financial situation, identifying your goals, creating a budget, managing your debt, and investing for your future, you can create a roadmap that will help you achieve your financial dreams. Remember, creating a personal financial plan is an ongoing process. So, review and adjust your plan regularly to ensure you're staying on track towards your goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.